Hi everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps. Today I'm going to show you how to work a decrease bind off. A decrease bind off binds off your stitches by decreasing them away and then reworking that new decrease stitch with the next stitch. So let's see how that works all put together. Here I have just a random swatch and I am going to decrease away all of these stitches for a bind off. So I insert my needle under 2 stitches. I'm using a knit 2 together decrease to do this. So I knit these first 2 stitches together. Insert your needle underneath them to knit together and then knit them. Okay, easy enough. Knit 2 together for those 2 stitches. Now I'm going to take this loop that's on my needle and I'm going to put it back on the left needle. But I don't want to go this way. You want to make sure you're going from the back like that so that it's oriented correctly on your needle. Okay, and that's 1 stitch bound off because I had 2 and I've turned it into 1. Now I've got these 2. This one that I just put back on and the next one. And I'm going to turn those 2 into 1. So I knit those 2 together. And then I stick my needle in again from the back and slide it back onto the left-hand needle. And you can see I'm starting to bind off the stitches here. Okay? Insert your needle between the 2 stitches, or through the 2 stitches. Knit them together. And stick it back on your left needle. We're going to keep doing this till all of the stitches are gone from our left needle. Now I've removed all the stitches by decreasing them away. So all that's left to do is cut my yarn and then pull this loop up until it gets really, really big and that end comes through. And I have a huge tail because I had cut it earlier for something else, but you probably want like a 4 to 5 inch tail. And this is what the decrease bind off looks like from the right side of the work and from the wrong side of the work. It pairs very well with a German twisted cast on. It's also great for ribbing because it has a little bit of stretch. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching!